morning students. Today our lecture number 2 is all about articles. Here are 3 articles in English like a, an and the. A and an are indefinite articles. The is a definite article. In your language, or you can, for your understanding, we can say a and an. A is used with consonant sounds and an is used with vowel sounds. As the is used for the specific nouns, because articles the is used for specific one. Let's move to the book intro and then we are going to move with the exercise. Articles, concept. As I show you in the board, a, an and the. A and an are indefinite articles. The is a definite article. Let's learn the rules of the articles. There are some rules of articles we need to learn it on. We use a and an with the singular countable noun, like a cat is the right one, a cats is the wrong one. An apple is the right one and apples are the wrong one. We use an with the word that starts with vowel. As I told you, we can use an with vowels like an apple, an egg, an inkpot, an owl, an umbrella. These all are vowel words like a, e, I, o, u. These are vowels. We use a with the word that starts with consonants like a page, a room, a star, a city, a country. These all are PRSCTR consonants. Let's move to the next page. Definite article is like the. As I told you, the is used with specific one. Like rules of definite article the is, we use the with specific nouns. Like we use the with the name of the rivers, the river Ravi, the river Satluj, the river Sindh. Second rule is we use the with the names of mountain ranges, the Karakoram, the Himalayas, the British mountains. Third rule is we use the with the names of continents, the Asia, the Australia, the Europe. Fourth one, we use the with the names of the popular person, place, thing or animal. Fifth one, we use the common noun when repeated. I saw a lion. The lion was very big. This is the right sentence. And there are some things like the sun is the correct one, our sun is wrong one. The moon is the correct one, our moon is wrong one. The earth is the correct one, and an earth is the wrong one. These are the rules of definite article the. Let's move to the exercise on page number 7. This is the first exercise. Circle the articles in the following sentences. We need to circle the articles in the following sentences. Like the first one is I saw an elephant. I saw an elephant. Over there we have an article is like an. We have to circle it on. He bought a computer. Over there is an article. We are going to the park. The is an article. The sun is not stationary. The is an article. Sabha is a teacher. Over there is an article. Fatma is eating an apple. An is an article. After that, you know that which articles are used in these sentences. Next, fill in the blanks with a, an or the. We have 3 articles like a, an and the. We need to put it in the blanks which are given below. The first one is he saw a bird in the sky. The bird, we have to put over there the bird was very agile. Second is the moon. As I told you, with moon, sun, earth, we need to put the. The moon rotates around the earth. Over there the T is capital because it's the starting of the sentence. Over here T is small because it's in between the sentence. Dash sun is not stationary. The sun. Dash bird in this tree was hunted by a hunter. A bird. She bought dash new dress for Eid day. She bought a new dress for Eid day. My mother gave me dash apple. As it's a vowel sound, we need to put an. My mother gave me an apple. Hope you understand that blanks. Next, move to the next exercise. Complete the story using articles. We have to complete the story by using two articles. One is a and second is the. Once upon a time there was a crow. We have to put a in the blank. One day a crow was very thirsty. A crow was very thirsty. It came into dash garden, the garden. Dash garden was full of children, the garden. A crow looked around and found dash pitcher of water in the garden. A pitcher of water. Luckily, dash pitcher was full of water. A pitcher was full of water. We are done with the articles. Hope you know what are articles and which we are used the best articles. With vowels we have to use an, with consonants we have to use a, with the specific nouns we have to use the. Our next topic is many and much. It's a concept between countable and uncountable nouns. We use many for countable nouns like eggs, books, flowers, boys. We use many eggs because it's countable. We use many books because it's countable. We can use many with flowers because it's countable, and then we use many boys because it's countable. So many is used with countable nouns. Done. Then we have uncountable nouns, which is used as much. We use much for uncountable noun. We use much for uncountable nouns like water. We can't count water, so we can put over there much water. Then we have fragrance. What the word is? Fragrance. So we have to put much fragrance because we can't say many fragrances because there are lot more fragrances we can't count it on. Then we have much noise. As we put much over there because we can't count the noise. So this is called uncountable nouns in which we can put much, and for countable nouns we put many. Thank you so much. Hope you understand the concept about many and much.